Hey friends, this is Atif of Pure Val and welcome to the update on SLP. On the 7 day time frame chart, you can see that the price on SLP first broke out this huge falling wedge pattern, and after the breakout, we had a nice short rally, but the pricing got rejected by this very strong and long-term resistance on that start from $0.0085 and goes to 1 cent. That was previously working as support down here, but now after the breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance. Now if we switch to the daily time frame chart, then here you can see that one after another, it has broken out two down channels. This was the bigger one, and this is the smaller one. And we have already crossed the target for the breakout from the small down channel, but got rejected by this resistance line. That's that from 2.6 and goes to $0.003. And now we are dropped down at this very long-term support of $0.0015. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of August 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for SLP, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 8th of August 2025. And here you can also want the complete trade setup as well, like this is the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of SLP. And here you can see that SLP has recently broken out another smaller down channel. After the breakout, it is rejected by this resistance zone that starts from 2.6 and goes to $0.003. Previously, it had been acting as a resistance zone here, and before that, it had been acting as a resistance zone here for several days or weeks. Therefore, now again, it is acting as a strong resistance. Right now, we are testing this support of $0.0015. That was previously breaking as a point of rejection here, resistance here, support here, and almost as a resistance here and support here in the month of March 2025 as well. And by the way, the technical target for the breakout from this previous down channel, this one, is here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at $0.006. And if the price then reaches there, then it can also hit this long-term price level resistance that we exactly have at $0.006. That was previously working at the point of rejection here, resistance here, and resistance here in the month of August 2022 as well. And the bigger target for this breakout from this huge falling wedge pattern will be here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 7 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.